Pennsylvania, operating on 162.55 megahertz, originating from the National Weather Service in Moon Township, Pennsylvania. Weather bulletin. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.